So what is a recipe? Well, a recipe is, in short, it's the answer to the most frequently asked question we get asked here at Candle Shack, and that question is, which wick should I use in my candle? We know candle making can be extremely frustrating. Choosing wicks is difficult, and it can sometimes feel like this is the single biggest barrier getting in the way of you moving forward. At times, it can feel like you're taking one step forward and 2 or even 3 steps backwards. Not to mention the fact that all of this testing can cost an awful lot of money. So how do we currently answer this question, which wick to use in our candles? Well, there's lots of generic information on the internet, and that's where people tend to go at the moment. But as we know, candle making is a bit more complicated than that, and these generic recipes don't always work. What we're going to do is we're going to move to much more detailed advice to really help you make candles that work first time. The reason we can do this is because we're actually trusted by some of the world's top candle brands. Candles manufactured here at our West Cairns site in Falkirk are sold in over 50 countries internationally. And we work with some of the top brands in the world selling candles in places like Liberty, Selfridges and Harrods, and in North America and Nordstrom. So it dawned on me that we can use this expertise that we have to help smaller candle makers in the EU and in the UK. So 6 months ago, I approached David, who you'll have seen in other videos, our head of R&D, and I asked him if he could start testing our best-selling fragrances, in our most commonly used glasses, and in our best 3 waxes. So for each fragrance, this could be a combination of up to 9 different recipes. To put it in context, that was approximately 30,000 hours worth of burns that I had asked David to do. The good news is he's got on with it, and we're most of the way through the first batch, and we're just about ready to go on to the next 300 recipes. These recipes will be available in 3 different jar sizes to start with. That will be our 9 centilitre, 20 centilitre and 30 centilitre vessels, and it will be available in each of those vessels across 3 waxes. The 3 waxes will be RCX, our best-selling wax, RS1, which is another excellent natural wax, and CS1, if you prefer a paraffin wax. So when it comes to using our recipes, we've got you covered. We have done fire safety testing, we've done suiting behaviour testing. These recipes will just work. First benefit you're going to get is Candle Shack recipes are going to save you money. So when Cheryl and I started Candle Shack, we spent so much time on trial and error that we spent much less time on building our brand and actually choosing a portfolio of products that we were really proud of. We just wanted to make something that worked. And this is exactly the problem we're trying to solve for you. We at Candle Shack, with our R&D laboratory, will take care of the heavy lifting. We will do the blood, sweat, the tears so that you don't need to. And if you don't have to spend all of this time focusing on just making a candle that will work, then you can spend time where it's much more valuable, building your brand and your business and creating products that inspire you. CS Recipes will do this, and in addition, it will ensure you can make safe recipes that you're confident in from day one of your candle making journey.